What's up, everyone? I'm Deft, and welcome to another episode of Demystify Moments. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the world of branding through sound. That's right, I said it, sound. That's right. Journey with me as we explore, what that means, like what design looks like or sounds like when it comes to branding. Alright, so today I'm going to go ahead and play to you all a few different sounds of some well-known brands, and we're going to just experiment to see if you guys can guess what they are. Simple as that. And if you can, then hey, it must be really good branding, or is that just you guys are paying attention and you like what you like and you know what you like. Either way, we're going to find that out today when it comes down to Demystify Moments. We're going to start playing some random sounds when it comes to branding, and we're going to see if you all can guess alone, based off of the sound, what that brand is. Alright, now I'm not going to give you guys any hints, so today you guys are on your own. Let's have some fun and let's see what you guys come up with. Here we go. Alright, now I don't know about you all, but that definitely brought about some memories. At this time, I want you guys to go ahead and put in the comments what you guys think for their first sound. What was that? Let us know. Alright, I'm going to go on to the next sound, and we're going to see if you guys can get this one. Alright. At this time, go ahead and put it in the comments what you guys think the second sound was. What brand is that? Let us know. Who do you think that brand is? I have no idea, to be honest with you. Alright, so let's see. What's the next one, y'all? Here's another good one. As usual, who do you guys think that one is? Okay. You guys are making some pretty cool suggestions as far as who you guys think that is. It's going to be interesting to see what it's going to be when we finish. Okay, so can you guess which one what brand that is? Alright, we got a number of more of them, but I don't think I need to use all of these different examples to see exactly if you guys know these brands that you guys say that you guys love so much, or is it more of a casual thing? We'll find out. Alright, that one you guys should definitely be able to get, but if you don't, hey, it's no shame. Alright, so for the last and final one, I think we're going to go with this one. Alright, at this time, we've done a deep dive of all the different sounds when it comes to different brands, and we want to know how you guys did. So we'll go in the comments after this and let you guys know. Hey, this has been another episode of Demystify Moments. Hopefully we'll be able to clearly differentiate some of these different brands. And if we aren't able to differentiate those brands, we'll do so next time here on Demystify Moments. Until next time, I'm Devin. Peace. Demystify Moments. 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 Demystify.